the place
It
are
didn't seem as loud when everybody else was being loud.
Yeah, see, it's not that loud. Dude, that's super cool.
Hell yeah.
Nice, man.
Looks awesome.
Yeah, thanks so much.
Good.
I appreciate it.
You want a picture too?
Oh, yeah. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I have another fun video here for you. We are gonna go meet up at Atlanta Custom Wraps for a meet that Derek is putting on. I'm sure you guys watch his channel, Derekbaranproductions. Italian Stallion's gonna be there, and It's Just a Six is showing up as well. This should be a blast. Got the new exhaust on the car here. I'm loving every minute of it. We got about an hour drive. I'm really excited that we got Astro going. We'll see if there's any other 2024s there. I know Gavin from It's Just a Six, he has a 2024, so I'm curious if he'll bring that. It'll just be kind of cool to check out all those other YouTuber builds, man. So if you guys are interested, stick around. We'll be there in just a few minutes. All right, guys, we have officially made it to the meet. Astro made it, and the exhaust, I just threw this on, so it's still smelling quite a bit, but it's looking good and it sounds freaking amazing. We're gonna go loop around the other side here and see where everyone's at, man. It's pretty busy, so let's go check it out. And man, I am parked way in the back because it is literally, it's super packed up front. So we're going through this dark alley, so I don't know. Oh yeah, you can't see me. Good night. Wow, look at this, dude. Jesus Christ. Yeah, damn. I haven't been over this way, so we're gonna see what it's all about here. Let's see where everyone's at. Hey, I made it. What's up, dude?
We're like, he said they were coming.
Yeah, I know.
We got stuck in traffic forever.
Yeah. I was gonna go.
Here at 4? No, 5.
Smart.
I had to work till 5, so I'm like, Megan's carrying all my beverages. Do you see that? Thank you so much. What's up, man? How you doing? How you doing, guys?
How are you?
Good, good. My name's Tyler. This is my wife, Megan.
How are you?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, so she's the beverage holder. But how are you guys doing?
Good. Good.
Yeah?
Thank you for coming out.
Oh, absolutely, man. I heard you guys were coming down. I had to check it out.
You local or like how far is it for you to get?
Yeah, we're in like Cumming, Georgia, so it's like maybe an hour here. So we got stuck in a little traffic, but we're like, yeah, we'll get here. Hopefully not too late. But
A lot of people told me there was a lot of traffic.
Yeah,
I had one buddy that's coming over 3 hours, so he's like, dude, he's like, I'm stuck in so much traffic.
Is it really 3 hours? Oh my God. Pretty cool, guys. We just spoke with Derek and checking out Maverick here. I know it's super dark, so you guys probably can't even see this thing, but it's looking great in person. The lights are literally blinding. All right, so we are gonna pull the car up to the front. There was just a spot that opened up, so I'm gonna see if I can get Astro up to the front here with the new, 2024. We'll put it next to some of the others, man. Let's see. All right, we'll see, man. I don't even know if you can see me. It's so freaking dark in here, but we'll see if we can turn down here and get a spot. Oh, right here. Sweet. Now, no pressure to back in here.
Somebody almost parked here, and then she kicked him out for you. Was that you who yelled?
There he is. Right here, Chris, executive treatment. Nice. Blue Knight 5-0. You might know him as Chris. Did I get the left one? He got the right one. Nice.
Yeah.
What's up, man?
At least you're tiny.
You made it. Nice. We're gonna go see Gavin's car that they got inside here. It's gonna be pretty sweet. Megan, you coming?
I'm coming.
Okay, good. Hey, whose car is that? This is cool. I've never been in here. Candies?
Admiring the little mini TikTok.
Oh my God, they are little mini Tic Tacs. I don't know why I'm filming that. But
It's cute.
it's cute, yeah. It's not every day you see mini Tic Tacs, I tell you that. I've never seen them. Yeah. Oh my God, there it is. Jesus. Look at that, man. Holy crap. Oh wait, he's coming right now. You might want to.
I'll slip in here.
Oh,
kick ass.
Bro, my hands are sweaty. Bro, I fucking love you, man.
Hey, I appreciate that, man. Thank you so much. You guys be safe.
He's like, I'm out of here. All right, we're gonna see if Gavin's gonna sign my 2024 Airbox. I think that would be kind of cool. Probably won't last, but we'll try it. What do you think, Chris? Give it like a week. What's up, man?
What's up, dude? How you doing?
Good. Hey, dude, does this look familiar?
Right.
2024. I ripped
Really?
it right off the top. Yeah, I just got one.
Congratulations.
I don't know if it'll stick.
It should. Which way you want me to spin it?
Whatever you think.
Is this the
I
right
think it
side?
goes, yeah, it's the right side. I don't know. Man, love the channel.
Thank you, dude. I appreciate it.
Awesome, man. I appreciate it. Nice meeting you, man.
Tyler, do you want a picture too?
Oh, yeah, actually, would you mind?
Yeah, not at all. Not at all.
Ready? Okay, got it. Cool.
Absolutely, man. Thank you for coming out. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, guys, so kind of cool. We met Gavin from It's Just a Six, and I ripped off my Airbox cover, got him to sign it because I thought it'd be cool. So let's see, this is the right Airbox cover. Let's see if Derek would sign the other one. I think it'd just be kind of cool. Here we go, here we go. Oh, there it is, boys. Okay, we're missing one. Here, we got it signed. We're gonna put that one there. We'll see if Derek signs that one. That would look kind of cool, wouldn't it? That's super cool, man, actually.
It's actually pretty cool, yeah.
Yeah. All right, we'll see if Derek will do it. I'll go walk over, ask him, see if he has a silver Sharpie. He signed like up here, but I'm like, maybe on this side. I don't know. I'll put a light here so he can. Dude, that's super cool. Nice, man.
That's awesome.
Yeah, thanks so much. I'm like, I don't know if I'll keep these on here until Aftermarket comes out with something.
Yeah,
but
for sure.
We'll see, but yeah, this is the 24, man.
Yeah, I like the grabber in it, man.
You like, yeah, I'm sure. I mean, you got good taste in the color.
Yeah,
so.
the grabber looks good.
What do you all have done with Maverick now? Like, is that thing like
Just
it's
long
E85,
tubes.
right?
It's not on E now, but it is when it's at home. Yeah.
Okay, it looks so good.
Thank you.
You drove the Dark Horse, I
think
know.
it's so
What do you think?
similar.
Is it?
Yeah, honestly.
I'm
Magna
like-
Ride. It's just so similar. Tremec.
Yeah.
Recaros. But it is a nice
cool.
car though.
Yeah.
The
Oh, yeah.
SUVs are nice.
They're nice, but yeah, I don't know. If I had something like that, I probably wouldn't let that go.
Yeah, exactly.
To be honest.
Yeah, exactly.
Hey, sorry for the interruption here, guys. Editing Tyler here. I just wanted to chime in on the two signatures I got at this meet from Gavin and Derek, and I wanted to personally thank them if they are watching. So I thank you guys for taking the time to sign the car. I really appreciate it, and honestly, why I wanted those signatures on the Airbox here is every single time now when I open my hood, I'm going to see those two signatures and be reminded that YouTube can pay off, and it does pay off to those who really grind, to put in the work, make the videos, keep it going for years and years. And those two guys are kind of a staple of that, of the work that it takes to put into a channel to get to where they are today. Every time I see those signatures, it's gonna serve as a reminder to me to keep making videos, to keep being as creative as possible with them, and to keep pushing on YouTube here, because that is my ultimate goal for this channel. I want to be 100K plus subscribers at some point in time, and just seeing those two guys of how far they've come with all the work that they've put into their channels throughout the years, it gives me hope that we will get there someday. So anyways, guys, if you are watching, I appreciate it, and yeah, back to the video. Chris has talked me into doing the remote rev on the new exhaust, so I'm gonna do it. He's peer pressuring me into doing it, so I'm gonna do it. It's not that bad, Chris. Tame. Yeah, you gotta wait like 45 seconds. Yeah, it's not bad at idle. Don't look under there. Oh, he's going real in depth with that magnifying glass. Hold on. Dude, the install's not that good. No, I'm just kidding. The install's not that good. All right, should we try it?
Go for it.
All right, time for the party trick. Pretty good. No, no flames. No flames, no flame kit. But yeah, dude. Oh. And and the police
Didn't
are
seem
here.
as loud when everybody else was being loud.
Yeah, see, it's not that loud. Well, guys, it's about time to wrap it up. It's a little after 9. The meet was super cool, guys. We got Derek and Gavin to sign the intakes, which is pretty cool. We're gonna see how well that actually holds up. But yeah, guys, we're gonna head out here now. Meet was a huge success. Woo. Oh, the door is flying open. Oh my God, better grab that. Really cool seeing these two cars here today, meeting these guys. They're awesome. And they got a whole lot more on their trip to see. So Chris is over there taking pictures. He's got to get it. Get those angles, Chris. Get those angles. All right, guys, we'll catch you in the next one. It's super dark. You probably can't even see me. All right, we'll see you later. Bye.